Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use chewable vitamin C, updated. Take one chewable tablet with food to reduce stomach upset and improve absorption. Start with a common 500 mg dose, unless your provider suggests otherwise. If you have acid reflux, try taking it with a full meal. Store tablets in a cool, dry place away from children. Track your daily total to avoid exceeding recommended limits safely. Many people wonder when to take chewable vitamin C and how much. Start with a 500 mg chewable once daily and assess how you feel. If you need more, split doses into 250 mg twice or 500 mg twice to improve absorption. Athletes or those under stress may need higher amounts, but avoid exceeding 2,000 mg per day without medical advice. Consistent timing helps build routine and benefit for you. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with rich sound and hands-free voice control for timers, reminders, and playlists. If you're finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like now to support the channel. It pairs easily with phones and smart plugs. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals that make daily health routines easier. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Chewable vitamin C is generally safe but can cause stomach upset or diarrhea at high doses. It can increase iron absorption, so monitor if you have hemochromatosis. It may interact with certain chemo drugs. Always tell providers about supplements. If you take blood thinners, check with your clinician. Reduce sugar exposure by selecting low sugar options. Keep records of symptoms and doses to discuss with your provider.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.